I was trying to check to see if the video had turned off. This is the more family-oriented part of the beach. We're down south of 1st Street. We can see the Continuum condominiums here. We can see South Point Park, South Point Pier. Woo! Well, I guess it's the initial shock of the water. So, let's take a little stroll. Yeah, hopefully this walking in the sand is good for my knee. On previous videos I did say that the Kardashians used to have a place here. I don't know if they still do or not. Well, not only did the Kardashians, but Brooke Hogan, which is Hulk Hogan's daughter, and a number of other people. So I'll leave that there. Vitamin D is good for everyone. Someone may feel that it's a little too much for them, but you have to identify what your healthy dosage is. Another photographer or artist. Surfing. As you can see her trying to catch some waves. I guess she's learning, and you see the person in front of her. So I'm going to, would you want me to get your picture? Huh? Would you want me to take your picture? No, okay. ¿Qué lengua tú hablas? Huh? What language do you speak?
English and Spanish.
Oh, Spanish, that's fine. Okay, no problem. Okay. Okay, I'm going to her photo shoot. Okay, don't have all day. For those that did not join earlier, that's Fisher Island. Jeb Bush, the ex-governor of Florida, has a place there. Oprah Winfrey had a place there. I believe, well, I'm not going to call the names, but many high-profile individuals live there. This waterway right here used to be continuous land from here over there, and maybe the Army Corps of Engineers or Miami or whomever the authority is or was, they cut this, they call it Governor's Cut. They cut it such that cruise ships and cargo ships, it would be easier to dock there from the ocean. So when they did that, they made that area, that piece of land, more valuable, and it continues to maintain its exclusivity because you can only get there by vehicle if you take the ferry, and the least expensive place probably today is maybe $3 million, and that may be for the one bedroom. 2008, during the financial situation, that $3 million one bedroom would run less than $1 million, maybe 800,000. So that's a matter of timing. Get creepy. I consider myself a travel ambassador, and I know many people that live here, they take it for granted. For people that are coming for the first time, they want to capture lots of sceneries, and when you take selfies, a lot of times you and whomever you're with is not in the shot. Therefore, many times I will ask, would you like me to take your picture? So for those that saw me ask the young lady on the beach, it's not just people on the beach. It was that couple back there, and it gives you a chance to interact with the couple. And so I asked where were they from. They mentioned they were from Cuba, and I said, what city? And they said Havana. And I was able to say, I know your city, I visited your city. So when you travel, put on a new attitude, put a smile on your face, pack your patience, and just enjoy. Speaking of vitamin D, yeah, it's warm now. I don't know, it got to be in the mid-80s. So okay, can you name this car in front? All right. Question is, which model is that?
So annoying.
Is that the California? Is that the California model?
No idea.
Yeah, I think it is. Okay.